Okay, so this is an announcement for those who are appearing for CFA Level 3 in August 2025. You must have seen that all the successful results of students of Feb 25, they are attributing their success to the personal graded mock tests conducted by SSEI. Because personal grading में, for the first time they wrote their answers and I checked their answers, and checking was very minute कि कहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या लिखा है, what they should have written, where they can save their time, what exactly the institute wants. Okay, the suggested answers which are given by the institute, they are guidelines, they are copied from the core. That is not what you can reproduce in the exam. You have to write to the point, you don't have to look at the English language, you have to ensure that you are not repeating the facts and many other stuff. So personal grading is the key to success. And accordingly, this is the third time that I am introducing personal graded mock tests from SSEI for the August 2025 exams. Now this mock window opens on 1st June 2025. तो 1st June 2025 से mock test start हो जाएगा. The mock test will start. Now initially we will start with topic wise constructed response questions. Topic wise constructed response, that means equity. Suppose portfolio construction, suppose fixed income. So topic wise. Now topic wise constructed response are planned. Why? Because say by 1st June a student says that, sir, I have not completed the entire curriculum. So how can I appear for the mock test? Of course you have not completed the entire curriculum, but at least you can design your planning so that you have at least completed equity. Why can't you appear for equity on 1st June? You should, and you should write the answer, because only if you have experience of writing the answers in June, July, then only you will get perfection in August. So the experience of writing the answer and being graded by me and understanding your mistakes and loopholes should start 2 months prior to the examination. Okay, so the entire June goes into constructive response topic wise item sets. Then from July, we start the item sets of the level 2 mode, as in multiple choice item set. Combined, all the topics combined, because in June you have done all the topics. So in July you can definitely do the item sets. And then July end, the main stuff starts. Okay, as you can see the dates on the screen. July end, we are going to conduct mock test for the CFA Institute Mock 1. But sir, the CFA Institute Mock 1 are already available. I can take it on myself, but who will grade it? So the answers are present over there. No, those answers are from the core. You can't produce those answers. The answers are to prepare, to revise. But what about writing? So you write the answers small, to the point, and I will check the same for you. Okay. Then we have mock test 2. Then we have SSEI's created mock test 1. And then we have SSEI created mock test 2. Now for all of them, it is given clearly when does the window open for the test, as in when can you give a test, what is the window within which you have to take the test, okay, and when will we share the results with you. So there are 3 columns given, as you can see. When do we open the test for registered students, what is the window size within which you have to take the test, and when will my grading be complete. Okay, if somebody does not take the test within the window given, I will not be able to grade the same. I will just share the suggested answers. I repeat again, if somebody does not take the test within the window, I will not be able to grade the test, because how much time do I have? I have allocated my time for the purpose of grading, and if I am not getting those answers from you, I will not be able to find time later on. So you have to take the test within the window. It is a disciplining exercise as to how do you prepare right now at the end of April and May, so that 1st June say the test can start topic wise. Okay. So what is difference between your Feb 25 mock test and August 25 mock test? Because there should have been some upgradation. Number one, many of the questions that I am designing for this particular August 25 test, they are brand new. They are constructed new questions that I have designed. So that way there's a new flavor. Number 2, this time we have 2 mocks from SSEI. SSEI mock 1, SSEI mock 2. Last time we had only 1 mock. So there are 2 mocks. Thirdly, this time even the CFAI mock test also I am grading. So I am totally grading 4 papers. CFAI's mock test 2 papers and SSEI's 2 papers. There are 4 papers which I am grading, apart from the topic wise constructive response. So I think you know how much time it takes to check each paper. So I am devoting my entire time of June, July up to 10th of August for the purpose of grading. Virtually 2 months, 10 days. This is the max that I can do to ensure that anybody who has studied reasonably, uska chance of passing astronomically goes up. You can ask from students who have passed and who have taken the personal graded mock test, and you will know. You can also compare as to what are the charges globally for personal graded or mock test, and you will understand our charges are meager. The charges for our mock test for an outsider who is not an SSEI student is 12,000. Okay, 12,000 is the charge for a non-SSEI student, and for SSEI student the charge is 6,000. Okay, for the entire package. So 12,000 for non-SSEI and 6,000 for SSEI students. So move ahead, register for the mock test, and let's start the personal graded journey from 1st June. Okay, there are people who have not cleared as borderline cases, and they tell me that, sir, where was my mistake? I think the mistake was not there anywhere. The mistake was in the competition. Okay, you have to competitively upgrade yourself. You have to pass with a margin of safety. Your quest should not be just to pass, but to really conquer the examination. This is the last examination out of the 3. You got to give it your best. And I've been repeating again and again that in CFA Level 3, if you keep on studying from the core or from my notes or watch the lectures again and again, it's not going to help. You have to apply the same, do questions yourself. Okay, and the personal graded mock test is the best way to increase your probability of passing the CFA Level 3 exams. Of course, I forgot to share that these mock tests are only intended for those people who have taken the portfolio management pathway. It is not for those who are going for the private wealth management or who are going for private markets. It is only for those who are going for the portfolio management pathway. Okay, so see you, and let's see how you write your answers, and be prepared for a very critical checking of your answers by me, but that criticality is required for your own benefit. Thank you.